Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how to get your home ready for Airbnb. So whether you're a first-time host or you're just looking to improve your listing, I've got you covered. So first you need to make sure that your space is actually clean and clutter-free. You don't want to have clutter going on right here unless you are, emphasizing a specific touch, right? A unique touch that is based on that area, right? So if you're bringing out the personality of that area, that's okay. Otherwise, you want to go ahead and keep it clean, keep it tidy. You don't want to have things like this going on. You're most likely to book orders where your place is very neat, right? And clean. And also, you need to have cleanliness in terms of not having dust on doorknobs, countertops, bathrooms. Keep this clean. Okay, you want to furnish with essentials. You want to make sure you have the amenities going on. So for example, let me show you. This is my property, right? You want to go ahead and have all the essentials, a washer, a kitchen, right? Wi-Fi. So if I show you my listing, right? I have Wi-Fi. I have, basics like pillows, kitchens, basics like a coffee, tea going on. People can come and use that as utensils. You want to make it as easy as possible for them. And you need to also set up safety features. Look at this. I even have a barbecue grill for them, free parking, a fire pit, hot tub, right? And safety features are very, very important. You need to make sure that your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms are actually working. You know, also keep a first aid kit handy. Provide clear emergency exit instructions. And if you have a keyless entry system, you want to set up a unique code for each guest. Okay? And you also want to go ahead and create a welcoming atmosphere. You know, small touches can make a big difference. For example, add fresh flowers, add a welcome note, or local recommendations for food and attractions. You know, a little hospitality sometimes goes a long way in getting great reviews. And great reviews actually go ahead and help you out in terms of having a higher visibility in that specific location. Okay? And you also want to go ahead and take quality photos. Look at this. You need good lighting. Look at this photo. Amazing. All you need open curtains, right? Turn on lights and take high resolution photos that basically highlight the best features of your space. And my best feature is the indoor and outdoor, the whole connection, the whole vibe going on here. You can basically enjoy nature while indoors as well. All right. And then you need to optimize your listing. You want to go ahead and use a catchy title. All right. Look at mine. So if I show you my title, it is very simple. It's house in Denver. It's a keyword people are searching for. And if I show you the description, here you go. It has a lot of keywords going on. Modern and cozy 2-bedroom, 2-bath retreat, right? You want to admit as many details, highlight amenities, for example. I have a free parking going on. This can be a game changer, pet friendliness or a great view. You want to set clear house rules and check-in instructions to avoid any confusion. And you should also price it competitively. So I have priced mine as $100 per night, and I have some discounts going on as well. This is actually 10% below the market as well because I am still a new property. I need those reviews going on. I need to build that trust reputation, right? And of course, before your guest arrives, you want to do a final walkthrough to ensure everything is in place, test the Wi-Fi, check the cleanliness, make sure all the essentials are stocked. Okay? And that's it, guys. Now your home is ready to welcome Airbnb guests.